Hello students. Now we are going to solve one numerical based on this topic, magnetic field to circular coil at its center. Student, in previous video I derived a formula for magnetic field to circular coil at its center. Suppose this is circular coil in which some I current is flowing. At distance capital R there is a point C. I told you in previous video that direction of magnetic field at this point is perpendicular to the plane upward inward, and the magnitude of this magnetic field B is given by formula mu naught Ni by 2R. Mu naught is probability of free space, B is intensity of magnetic field, N is number of turns. Suppose there are n number of turns like this one. I is current flowing in each coil. R is radius. So one can find magnitude of magnetic field with the help of this formula at the center of this circular coil. This formula I derived in previous video. Now we are going to do one numerical. See what is the numerical? Question number 1, based on this topic. Electron is moving on a circular path of radius 10 angstrom at a speed of 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Find magnetic field at the center of its circular path. Student, please write this question, and you can take 1 minute or 2 minutes to solve this problem. For this, at this moment you can pause the video, solve it, and then see whether your solution is correct or not. I am going to solve it. So student, according to the problem, electron is moving on a circular path of radius 10 angstrom at a speed of 10 to the power 6 meter per second. We have to find magnitude of magnetic field at the center of its circular path. So student, radius is given 10 angstrom, speed is also given 10 power 6. We have to find magnetic field B. See how we can find the magnitude of magnetic field at the center of circular path. So radius is given, speed is also given, and we have to find magnetic field. Student, according to the formula which I derived, magnetic field at the center of circular coil is given by B equal to mu naught Ni by 2R. In this case there is no number of turns, so we will take this n equal to 1. So B can be written as B into I by 2R. B is magnetic field, mu naught is probability of free space, I is current, radius. Now student, radius is given in the question. So we can write radius is known. So it is 10 into 10 power minus 10 meter, which is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. So radius is given. Mu naught we know very well, its value is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. So value of mu naught is also known. But at the place of current like variable is not given, but speed of electron is given. So with the help of this speed, anyhow we have to find current. So only current is unknown. If current value will be calculated, then anyone can calculate the magnitude of magnetic field. So student, to find this magnetic field, we will first calculate current with the help of this speed. Students, if electron is revolving on this circular path, so how much charge will flow at a particular instant from any point? The charge on one electron is E. Suppose in time capital T, which is the time period of revolution, electron will passes through a point one time. So we can say the value of current will be I equal to, by this formula Q by T, we can say it is equal to E by capital T. And this 1 by T is equal to frequency, so one can say this is F into E. So if anywhere frequency is given, we can calculate formula of current Fe. If time period is given, we can calculate current by this relation I equal to E by capital T. But time period is not given in the question, but we will calculate it. See how. Write this E as it is. At the place of capital T, we can write 2 pi r by velocity. Time period will be equal to distance upon 2 pi r, distance upon speed. So at the place of this capital T, one can write 2 pi r by v. 2 pi r is the distance traveled by electron in one revolution, and v is speed. So current will be equal to E into V by 2 pi r. Student, all of you know the value of E, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Speed is 10 to the power 6 given in the question. And value of pi is 3.14. Radius r is given 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So we can write 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So the value of this current can be calculated with the help of this expression. And if you know the value of this I, substitute in this equation. The radius is already given, value of mu naught is known, 2 is also known. So student 1 can calculate the value of magnetic field B using these equations. See it and solve it completely so that you can find the correct value of magnitude. Do its calculation yourself. Thank you. Write it.